Hi everyone, this is Suzanne with Central Church Kids Ministry, and I'm here to talk to you today about a parent tip, and it's going to be a fun one. We're going to make some homemade ice cream based on a verse from Romans 8:28, that God brings all things together for the good, and you know there's nothing better than ice cream. So what I have here today, I have some milk. We have a cup of milk. We're going to have a teaspoon of sugar. We're going to have a 1/3 cup of rock salt. We're going to have a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix this all together, and it's going to be something really delicious to eat. So we're going to start off with our quart bag. We're going to put 1 cup of milk. This is something you can do with your kids at home, something fun to do for this hot summer, and teach them about God at the same time. Okay, and then we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here's my tablespoon. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar in there. This is going to be tricky because we've got to put a teaspoon of vanilla. I don't want my bag to tip. Oh, and there is a mess. That's a teaspoon of vanilla. So we got to seal that bag up real good and tight. And get all the air out of it. We're going to drop this into our gallon container. I'm going to add some ice to this bag. And then we're going to add some salt rock. And oh, this is going to be so delicious when we're done. I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to massage it and fling it around a little bit in the yard and try to get that milk to freeze. And we're going to have ice cream. So here you see we have a quart bag inside of a gallon bag with ice and salt to get that good and cold. So you have to mash it, squeeze it around for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go outside with my bag and I'm going to roll it around on the patio, and I'm going to come back and show you what I have at the end. I'll be back in a minute. Hi everybody, I'm back. I just came in from outside and I have ice cream. I went out and shook my milk and vanilla and sugar in a bag of ice with some rock salt on it. And look what God created. He brought all those things together. Oh my goodness, and look at that soft serve ice cream. I'm going to try a little bit. Oh, that is good. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for the wonderful things that you can make for us to enjoy. So Romans 8:28 says, and if we know that in all things God works for good to those who love him, who've been called according to his purpose. Well, we know the truth that Romans 8:28 reminds us that although sin and Satan are powerful, God is more powerful. He is able to redeem and restore anything for our good and for his glory. All things may not be good, but God can and will use them for the good. That's all I have for today now. Thank you.